Hey guys, do you want to know about top 7 best passive income ideas? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about top 7 best passive income ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, please make sure you watch the video until the end so you can find top 7 best passive income ideas. And also subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can get notified anytime we upload a new video. What is passive income? Passive income is earned through investments or work already completed and continues to make money without any additional effort. By contrast, active income is money earned in exchange for performing a service. Passive income, by its definition, doesn't require active work after a certain point. Most passive income sources will require time, energy, and effort upfront. But if done right, you will reach a point where your passive income streams earn income on their own, without little to no effort on your part. 7 best passive income ideas. Many types of passive income can be made online, so if you want to have income that is location independent, passive income may be for you. All you typically need to earn is a computer and an internet connection. Number 7. Investing in the stock market. Becoming a stock market investor is arguably the easiest way to earn passive income. This type of passive income is driven by capital gains or dividends. As the value of your stocks grows, and as you continue to reinvest any dividends you gain, you can watch your investments grow through the power of compound interest. The key to earning passive income through the stock market is using the buy and hold strategy. If you use a retirement account, like a Roth IRA, this income stream isn't really a source of income to live off of right now. It's more of a savings and investment vehicle to earn money to live off of when you retire. But you are still earning through compound interest, and that requires little to no work on your part. Number 6. Real estate investing. Real estate investing is the costliest passive income option. It requires a significant initial investment, especially if you are new to the world of real estate. But before you jump into the real estate world, it's important to ask yourself these questions to help you decide what kind of real estate investor you'd like to become. Depending on your financial goals and the amount of energy you want to put in, you have numerous options for real estate investments to choose from. Passive income from real estate can come through short-term rentals, think Airbnb, or long-term rentals, where you're a full-on landlord. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing consists of you teaming up with retailers to promote their products. You can get paid a commission for each sale in exchange for promoting products or services. This is an easy form of passive income because you simply promote someone else's product and get paid. Some places to promote your affiliate links are through social media, email marketing, a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog. Some well-known affiliate marketing platforms are Amazon Associates and ShareASale. But there are a host of platforms to choose from. The key here is authenticity. The moment you promote bad products is the moment your audience loses trust in you. Make sure you only promote products you know and love. Number 4. Digital downloads. Digital downloads are tools that provide your customer with a quick win to an issue they have. Instead of producing a full ebook, with digital downloads you produce single downloadable products. These are products that can stand on their own and still add value to your clients. Printable checklists, craft and hobby guides, downloadable spreadsheets, and social media templates are all viable options for digital downloads. You'll want to perform market research to learn what your potential customer base is looking for. The best place to start is by researching competitors in your space. Search for related keywords on Google and see what comes up. That's your competition. Study what they're offering and see how you can make your unique version of a similar offering. Canva is good for creating digital downloads, while platforms like Etsy and Sendall are great for selling them. Number 3. Ebooks. Similar to the digital course, Writing an ebook, electronic book, is another avenue to sell a particular skill set or expertise. The main difference is the way this information is packaged. An ebook uses a computer, mobile device, or ebook reader, such as Kindle, to view long-form text in a book form with text, images, or both. These don't have to be the length of full novels, though they can be. Keep in mind that your price will determine your customers' expectations. An average ebook can be between 2,500 and 10,000 words, depending on your niche. You can design your ebook on sites like Canva, Beacon, or even Microsoft Word. Number 2. Digital courses. We all have expertise in something that someone is willing to pay for. You can turn your skills into dollar bills through a digital course. A digital course is a source of passive income that continues to sell itself without you having to do much work after the initial creation. You may already be sharing your expertise and not even realizing it. Maybe it was a Facebook post, YouTube channel, or blog sharing advice on a particular topic. Instead of giving all your knowledge away for free, you can turn it into passive income by collating your ideas, skills, and knowledge into a digital course. Platforms like Teachable, Podia, and Kajabi make it easy to package, market, and sell your digital course. Number 1. Blogging. Blogs are the perfect passive income source for writers or hobby enthusiasts. A blog, shortening of weblog, is an online journal or informational website displaying information in reverse chronological order, with the latest posts appearing first. It's a platform where writers share their views on a subject. Your blog becomes a passive income stream through display ads, affiliate marketing, and slash or digital product sales. To earn passive income through display ads, you'll want to focus on SEO, search engine optimization. SEO, the science behind getting traffic to your website. Once your blog is consistently getting traffic, companies may even reach out to partner on projects. Make sure you stay watching our next related video to discover more amazing videos. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments box below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.